guys, welcome back to my channel and hope you guys are doing well. Today we are at the Clifford E Nature Sanctuary. I'm assuming this is kind of like a bird sanctuary just because of the picture there, but I'm not sure. Come on, let's go on this adventure. So pretty much when you enter, this is kind of the area you're going to be in. There's a kind of like a display board here. It says some of the things that you may be able to see on this trail. I'm not really a big fan of trails, but maybe this will change my mind. This is kind of the trail map. That's the area of like the lake. So from our house in Edmonton, it was about a 40-minute drive. It's not too long. This is in Spruce Grove. So kind of look like there's like a bridge type area here. We haven't really seen any birds, but that's okay because I'm sure we'll see some on the way. So after that like marsh, wetland area, you come to an area where this bridge splits into two. There's one that goes straight and then curves, and there's one that goes to the left. We're not sure which way to go, but we'll be going on the left. So when you guys come, you'll know which way to go. Guys, I really hope there's no like toads, frogs, or any type of snakes because I hate reptiles and amphibians. They just give me the creeps. I really hope there's nothing on this trail. So pretty much everywhere you go, there's these like raspberries. My brother tried one and he said it's really tasty. So maybe you guys can try it. Just make sure to like maybe wash it before you eat it. This is really quiet too, this area. It's really nice to enjoy the nature and just be surrounded by so many plants and trees. Not that Edmonton already doesn't have a lot. It's just nice to go on a quiet little walk. Guys, stay safe when you're walking on the bridge because you could fall. It happens. What way? I'm actually not sure.
It's my turn.
So this is when the bridge ends. That way, I think, is the Pine Knoll Loop Trail, and this way is the Aspen Ridge Trail. Guys, we are right there right now. This is the Aspen Ridge Trail, which is that way. This is the Pine Knoll Loop Trail, which is that way. There's also a washroom here. I think we might be going on the Pine Knoll Loop Trail, but any which way you have to come back all the way here. Looks like the Pine Knoll Loop Trail is just longer. So yeah guys, we're going to be going that way because that's where the arrow points. Come on, Vedith. So here comes another route change. So here it says Woodland Flower Trail, and the other side, which is right here, it says the Pine Knoll Loop Trail. The Pine Knoll Loop Trail, but I don't think we're going to be going there. It's pretty dark. There's also a really big beehive, and I'm terrified of bees, so maybe we can just go to the Woodland Flower Trail.
Me too.
That's what Vedith wanted first anyway, so.
Bam. I told you we should go there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so much smarter than you.
Ta-da! Guys, quick note, make sure to wear bug spray before you come because there's a lot of insects here and we don't want you getting stung or bitten. We're hoping that we're at least halfway there since it's getting dark pretty soon, so we probably need to get back to the car in at least half an hour. There are no signboards here, so hopefully we find some in a few minutes. Went to the woodland flower trial, but looks like that's a dead end. We are here right now, but even if we did go to the pine knoll trial, which was there, we would have also came here, so that's fine. We'll just be going back and going to the Aspen Lodge trial and then connect through the wetlands in that area. Let's go. So we'll be going to the Aspen Ridge trail, which is that way. And also if you guys look at the map here, the Aspen Ridge trail leads right to the wetland area. And there's also a few lookout points from there, so maybe we could take a look at the wetland and get a few pictures of the sunset maybe too. The trail map actually already says that there's three lookout points I think from here. So let's see if we can find those. A lot of people also said this is definitely one of the hidden treasures of Alberta, and pretty much coming here, I guess I do definitely agree with that. Guys, look at the sun. Oh my God.
So do this that high five. You shouldn't have gone my way.
Sir. Guys, we found the lookout point. It's right, sorry. Guys, we found the lookout point. It's right here. Guys, I'm still so stunned by the sun. Here are a few of the birds that you might be able to find here. I think we might have found the mallard. Okay guys, come on. So here's the first lookout point. There's, I think, look at the ducks here. I'm pretty sure these are the mallard ducks. I'm not sure though. What do you see?
Nothing.
Guys, we finally completed the trial. We are back to where we started. It was a pretty long trial, but we did enjoy it. It's definitely a natural place, but I'm gonna correct myself. I said in the intro that this was kind of a sanctuary for birds, but I guess I was wrong. We did see a lot of and enjoy nature here, so I definitely recommend coming here, guys.